Hey guys, Villarreal here. Today I want to talk to you guys more about Bitcoin and the technical analysis that is going to follow up. Now, I am not a trading channel, but I am a Bitcoin accumulation channel. So if you'd like to accumulate Bitcoin, you want to accumulate Bitcoin with me, I strongly advise you to not only like the video, but comment, follow, and subscribe. Not only does that help promote my videos to more people like yourself, but it actually helps the algorithm push my content out to others. Now, without any further ado, I want to talk to you guys first about the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin price right now is sitting around $27,200. Now, we did get rejected off of the $28,600 level, or roughly whenever we got rejected and we fell all the way down to $25,000. You see, we have a lot of confluence in this area now. Now that we've been trading online, we had a lot of support and a lot of resistance. But what does this mean for Bitcoin going forward? Now, as you can see, we are probably going to go make a really bullish month for October. But if you go look at the monthly, which I think will give you guys a bigger picture where we are currently, we're still green on the month. We really are. I mean, even if we had this, this rejection from this point, gosh darn, I can't get the chart to do what I want. But you can see I have my moving averages right here, and we can kind of see we bounced off of this moving average, and we kind of bounced off the red. If you guys don't know what these are right here, I'll show you guys closely right here. We're on the 25, the 55, and the 200. Now, right now, the 200, I don't think I have it presented right now. Yeah, I don't know where the 200 is, but that's weird. But essentially, we are just trending higher, and I don't think that this month will be a red month for us. I think it will be kind of a green month, and following other Octobers, we could maybe see, I mean, this is just all speculation at the end of the day, right? But we could see a price move maybe back up here to the $31,000 price level or $32,000 price level, and that could roughly put us, a 17% gain. But I don't think that's how we're going to end the month. I think, if anything, we end the month at maybe a plus 25 or a plus 30%, and that pushes closer to the $35,000 price level. Now, why does this make it so important that we hit the $35,000 price level? Because if you hit the $35,000 price level from this point right here, that means if we go up another from November and December being also green months, which usually if October is a green month and September was a green month, usually quarter 4 of whatever year we're in is usually a green month, or a green quarter, I should say. So if we take this time from the $35,000 price level and we go all the way up to maybe another 30% over those 2 months, so like 15, we can see a $45,000 Bitcoin, which is not too far off where I think we would go. Now, let's say if we do hit that price level, right? Where would that put us on the fib retracement tool from this whole entire year of movement if we go hit that $45,000 price level? Our 0.5 fib level would take us around $30,000, which is roughly double what we did the year, which is roughly from $15,000 to $30,000, right? Well, now, bear with me. I'm saying a lot of words right now, but essentially, that would just put us at a kind of like a doubling of the year. We would end the year at a double, almost 100% gain, and then we would then continue to do price movements going into the next halving. Now, why do I think this is super bullish for Bitcoin going forward? And the only reason why I think this is super bullish for Bitcoin is because of the price action right now. I mean, we're going into the next halving. There's lots of bullish news for ETFs and filings for, a spot Bitcoin on the stock market and the stock market exchange. I mean, that's just craziness to me that, I've been in crypto for 8 years, and not once did I ever think we would have a publicly traded Bitcoin on the New York Stock Exchange, or any stock exchange for that matter. Lots of bullish news from like JP Morgan saying don't trade crypto. The only reason why they're telling you not to trade crypto is because they don't want you taking money out of your bank account. And so, going back to the technical analysis, where does that put us if we were to go to $45,000 and maybe drop back down to $30,000 at the start of the year? I mean, let's say we hit from $30,000 right here from $45,000. I mean, that's not too bad of a drop. That's only $15,000, dollars. But if we measure that move from 45 all the way down to 30, let's say it just hits 30, right? Maybe it hits 31. A 30% retracement, which is not too far off where I think we would possibly retrace to if that was to happen, honestly. And in all reality, where does that put us if we were to do that? Well, let's go back to this other chart of Bitcoin. Maybe not the monthly chart will do the justice, but maybe this chart. Yeah, there we go. I have my halvings on here. So you can see where we are technically kind of like in this wedge. And this is kind of giving me more support. If we were to put maybe like a median line, let's draw a line from like right here. And let's say this is the middle of this line. That would put us roughly around $45,000 or $56,000 at the halving. Now, where does that put us if we were to trade outside of this range? Now, I do have the very top of this this trend line at around $150,000, which I do think Bitcoin gets to at least $100,000 by the end of the year, because if that was to put us at $100,000, that would give us a measured move from, let's just compare tops real quick, right? let's say from this top all the way up to this top. That's not a good measurement. From this top all the way to this top, it's roughly a 250% gain. So if we were to experience the same 250% gain off of that one, that would roughly put us at around $250,000 roughly, which could be the upper bound of where we go at the end of the year. Now, if that does make a lot of sense to you guys, I encourage you, like, comment, subscribe. You know, you guys know what to do best. You guys know how to promote this video, and I want to get this to as many people as we can. Because if we get it to as many people as we can, that means we are spreading the good word of Bitcoin. Now, I don't know if you guys are into, you know, religious or politics, but we need to let people know what is happening with the religion of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a religion. It is a moral practice that all human beings have to do. Now, without any further ado, I appreciate you guys watching the video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.